SimmBro, let's go!
Hey guys, welcome to our video. On this adventure here today, we got the Adventure Force. And it's gonna be build and play slime speeders. Let's go! Let's build these things. Dudes, before we get started, tell them what they need to do.
Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that little bell. Hit that little bell.
Yeah, boy! Let's open these slime speeders up, guys.
Let's see what you guys might get in these mystery boxes. Let's see.
Look, guys, we could get this one, which I want. I want this one, or that one, or this one.
I want this one or this one.
Oh, turn it to the side.
Plus, you get one that glows in the dark. How about that?
Look.
Let me see.
I want this one.
You want that one? Okay. And which one would you like, Deuce? Let me see.
The one I really want is this one.
Let me see. I can't see it. All right.
It has a freeze way and it has all the teeth.
Okay. And which one would you like, Enzo? Let me see.
I like this one. This one the most.
Show me. Oh.
So you want the same one as Sire?
Okay.
No, he says this one.
Yeah, Sire doesn't want that one. Sire want that one.
Yeah, boy. Now
Let's go.
Let's get these things open. All right.
Oh,
let's
let me see. Let me see.
Oh,
Let's see, guys. Open it up.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
What kind of?
Let me see.
It looks like it has pink wheels like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Whoa. Wait.
All right, let's go.
You got the one you want.
Let's go. Let's
Oh yeah, look.
build it up, guys. Look what comes in there, guys. Slime.
Yeah. Oh, this is so gross.
All right, sorry. So the first thing we're gonna do, whoa, this is gonna be a cool one. Oh, you got it, son.
Let's see.
Chicken.
Anybody started? Let's see.
What my destruction?
Be started.
Y'all know I'm a
That's
pro.
what I wanted.
You're a pro builder?
Everyone should
You
know.
are. Yeah, you are. You do go pretty fast. Without instructions, too. Dude, you're not even using instructions, man.
I know.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, mine's right here.
Let me see. Enzo, too. Let me see, Enzo. Enzo doing his without instructions, too.
Look, you just have this first part here.
Oh, wow.
Look at
Oh,
this.
let me see. Whoa.
And look at the back. It looks like it has eyes.
You're right.
Look at this one, son.
Wow.
Put the other wheel on.
Wait, let me see the instructions.
Put this wheel up here.
Check out the instructions, JoJo.
Oh, so it like this.
Put this on Daddy.
Jojo, look, Jojo, right here, Jojo. Take these two here, right? Look, Jojo, take this here. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool, dude. Take
Oh, like that, then.
boom, yeah. Then
Oh, bro.
push it. Yeah,
What do you
boy.
mean? Click sound.
Yeah, there you go, Jojo. Put that one, hook that one up with that one.
Oh, bro.
This one with
How
that
do you
one.
think they're supposed to connect?
No, Jojo, not that one.
That don't see.
That one.
You might have to let me see.
Easy.
You might have to
Jojo,
take it.
those two.
Turn it around. Oh, you almost got yours together. That looks good.
Okay, I got this. That can help me.
Yeah, let's figure this out right here. Side, look, side. It goes right here.
Wow. Let me see.
Right there.
He does.
Let me see that one.
I got my
Let me see.
Dang!
Oh.
Dang, I'll do that in the
Let me see. Wow. He's pretty cool too, guys. Wow. Wow.
It'd be like.
Boom. All right.
Now we
Deuce
just
almost
need
got.
to
Let's
use
see.
the
This is coming
slime.
together.
Deucey? You don't look that cool.
Yes, it does. Wow. Let me see. Deuce's one again. Let me see, Deuce. Wow. Turn around, Deuce. Let
Mine
me see.
look cooler. Like,
Wow. Let me see.
look how
Keep
fast he
turning.
can roll. Look how fast mine can roll.
Wow.
Yeah, I got bigger tires.
That looks great, guys.
Want to fight? Left fight. Now let me collect it. Okay.
Sire is almost ready. Let me see. Uh-oh. Let me see,
Give
Sire.
me a bag. It don't work for yours.
Yes, it does. See? Wait, hooks on.
Let me see, Sire.
Let's keep on fighting.
Wow.
And now let's look at the bag.
Whoa, he's a set of eyes in the back. Wow. Let's introduce this one first. It's the Chain Crusher. Whoa, look at him go. Wow, nice chainsaw on the top. Next, we have the Claw Speeder. Wow, look at that claw on the top of his head. Wow. Hate to get clawed by that guy. Up next, we have the Dump Shooter. Whoa. Look at that shooter on the top of that dump truck. Wow.
And it can do this.
Whoa, look at all the tricks. Wow. All right.
Guys, so what we have next is some ooey gooey slime here. We're gonna place it in front of these speed monster trackers, Fast Adventure Force tractors, and we're gonna put the slime here and let it go. So let's see who can bust through it with the Adventure Force. It is so gooey, ooey, gluey, gooey. Yeah, it's very gooey.
Oh, damn.
Oh yeah, that's one.
I feel good.
All right, there's one, guys. That is for the Cloud Chomper.
And it for the speed.
That is for the Chain Crusher. Ooh, we look at the gooiness, messy. Yeah. You look how gooey it is. This is for the Claw Speeder. Oh, look at that gooey, ooey, gooey slime. Whoa. It is so slimy. All right, last but not least, we have the Dump Shooter. All right, let's see if we can get it all out in one big line so they can do a big Adventure Force blast through the line. All right. Oh, sorry, we got a big one for you, sorry. I don't know, sorry. Can you do it? All right, there we go.
Do us a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
The Saw Crusher. The Claw Crusher. And this goo is so much fun. Yeah. Makes it easy. Yes. To go right through. Yeah, like this. Ow, it took my wheel off. You're tough. It didn't take my wheel off. I'm special. Mine couldn't take off either. Just still gooey. Now let me do it in a giant pile. Maybe I can go through it. Me too. Let's see, guys. Can we go through the biggest, slimiest pile in the world? Okay, let me make my weapons. Whoa, I can't move, guys. I can move a little. I'm gonna try. Right so easily.
They put some on me. Whoa, that's good.
Whoa, watch out, guy. Goo.
Look, you got on me. I use it. Oh no, the goo got me. Claude, use that.
They gooed up my weapon.
Use it.
Weapon. It can't dry. I'm so. Whoa, guy, look at this.
Oh,
You're so slimy.
oh, it's coming. Your weapon's ready.
Whoa.
Weapon's ready.
Look at mine. It's
Robot mode launch.
Now you better go. Cause I got gooed.
Oh, bro.
Me too.
How you go? Oh, God. Did something fall on you or what?
Whoa, the slime is all on this
What?
piece.
I'm not good. So it's falling down on me.
Can't get it out. Sharon, like I said.
I didn't want to.
Whoa, yours got overtaken by the slime. Wow.
It's too strong.
Whoa.
But it closed my mouth up.
Whoa. The dump shooter is still alive. The slime has not overtaken him yet. Wow, the slime is trying to get him down, but he can't get him for some reason. Whoa.
I will chase on my way out.
Let's see.
And in my back.
I'm a truck, not a loser.
Oh no! I think it took over my claw. It's in the goo. Oh no! My claw. You help it.
I got
claw.
you, Fred. My thing is not stuck yet.
Oh, thanks. It still got a little.
Anytime, bro.
More goo.
Anybody go help me out? Yeah, we will. I'm coming.
Gosh!
I gotta
Strike it out. Let me try to get it out. It's gooey.
Taking it.
You can't let us rock you. Take over.
Try the
Let's try.
Whoa.
Try it. Kind of got me.
Trying to make a python.
Oh no! It got my wheel.
You just can't make a python.
It's
Just
Turn it out.
A giant goo coming my way.
That was for you, friend.
Give me a little
Here,
ice
friend.
cream.
Thanks. Oh, dang. Oh, I ran into a blue flower.
Look, I got my weapon. See it falling on it.
And look, it's split to half. It's try.
I'm gonna activate my weapon so they could get free.
It's about to defect me all up. Now we got my weapon too. Hey, bro, help us.
I will.
My wheels are it's running all over my wheels, so I can't go.
It kind of gooey,
Pulling me
but
all up.
I guess I can take it.
Stop it.
So hard to do this. But I got you. So,
Let's go wrap things. My big is helping too.
my blaster, no. No, yes, it got
Good.
through it. But my body didn't.
Wow.
It's so gooey. A big glob of goo.
Looks like a big glob of snot. Ew.
See, snot almost.
Wow.
Guys, watch out. Because it's unquenchable heading for it. Oh. Ha ha, nitro.
It got all of me.
Me too.
It's overtaking it. Oh my goodness.
It's starting to get on me already. Of course it's on you.
Whoa.
My tool is breaking out.
My eyes.
The tool is breaking out first. Oh, somebody's breaking loose. Let's go.
Tool, help me. Claw, help me. Your BB.
The claw is helping. Yes.
No, my claw stuck with the icky dicky goo. I got out.
Oh, you got it out. Everybody's using their weapon to get out of the goo.
I will help you.
Let's see.
No, I got it, bud. I got this.
I will take some of it out too.
I got it. I got it, guys.
let's
Let
see.
me activate my
chainsaw.
super chainsaw.
Let's go. Oh, science is loose.
Mine is loose
Hey,
too.
Fred, we're loose of this thing.
Wow.
Yeah, let's throw it in there. Claw, get him and throw him in.
Hold on. Let's see. We gotta help. First, guys, you got to help Deuce get his free.
Shing.
I think I can get out, guys.
Okay,
Watch.
you got the rest.
I'm gonna get it out.
I got it.
With my claw. Let me pull it out. Let me use it.
All right.
I got my wheel, but I can get it off.
Let me help. I'm gonna move it out the way, then you don't get in it. Let me just get on.
Guys, now since we have defeated the slime, we can pick up our weapon and assemble it back on our monster vehicles. Let's go, Deuce. Show them your weapon of choice. Yes, that is the Chain Crusher. Jojo, show them your weapon of choice.
It's my sharp claw.
Yes, that is the Claw Speeder. Sire, show them your choice of weapon to assemble. That is the Dump Truck Shooter. All right, guys, what an amazing battle it was. Let's
Get rid of this slime for the last time.
Yes. Yeah, look at that yucky slime. Put it together. Let's bust through it, guys. Yeah. Wow, look at this big gooey blob of slime.
Hey, boy.
Splat.
That what you
Now
use,
let's
slime.
bust through it, guys, for the last time.